Hello everyone, hello students, welcome back. So before coming to today's title of the video, let me ask you first, do you have animals at home? Do you like animals? Do you love animals? Do you have pet animals at home? Yes, we have, right? Many of us might have cats, dogs, okay? Or we might rear animals like what? Like cow, like sheep, like goat, like pig, etc. Okay, so all those are what? They are called what? Animals. What about us humans? Are we animals? Yes, we are, right? We are animals. We belong to the same group, and that is what you call as heterotroph animals, heterotrophic animals or heterotrophs. Okay, why we are called heterotrophs? Because can we manufacture our own food? No, we cannot manufacture, we cannot make our own food. We depend on the plants, okay, which are the autotrophs, okay, directly or indirectly. That's why we are known as heterotrophs. Okay, so talking about food, why do we eat food? Yes, students, why do we eat food? What is the answer? Can't you give me, can you think, can you pause for a moment? Why do we need food? Okay, so in other classes, usually what we learn is that we need we need food to live. Is that correct? Yes, yes, it is correct. Okay, we need food to live, and besides that, what else also we need? Okay, we need energy, and then we need also to grow. Okay, so all those things, okay, to grow, to get energy, we get it from the nutrients. And from where we get nutrients? From the food. Okay, we get nutrients from the food. Because why? Only and or until and unless we eat food, then only our body will be fully nourished, right? We need what? We need fats, we need carbohydrates, we need proteins, we need vitamins, we need minerals, etc. Okay, all those essential nutrients from where we will get? From the food that we eat. Okay, so remember, the first important thing is that why do we eat food? Why do we eat food? We eat food to get energy, to grow, and then to stay alive. Okay, so coming to today's video, we will do a chapter on nutrition in animals. Okay, we will do nutrition in animals. 5 steps. Okay, in the following 5 steps. Number 1, it is called what? Ingestion. Now in this process, ingestion, what happens is that the food is taken in. Okay, the process of taking in food, okay, process of taking in food by the mouth, okay, and grinding it by the teeth is called what? Ingestion. Breaking down of food to simple substance. By juices, okay, by digestive juices. Okay, what is digestion? Digestion is the process of breaking down of food into simpler substances with the help of the digestive juices. Now let us come to the third one, that is called the absorption. Now absorption is the process by which the digested food, okay, is being absorbed by the body cells of our body. Okay, because when we eat food, what is our main thing? What is the main thing we want from the food? We want absorption of nutrients, right? So in this third step, that process happens. Okay, in this absorption, the body cells, okay, you know our body is this form of what? Combination of cells, right? So in this third step, the food is being absorbed. Okay, the nutrients is being absorbed, okay, from those simple substance, okay, food which is being broken down into simple substance by the digestive juices. Okay, after it is being digested, okay, what happens? Our body cells, okay, absorb those nutrients from those digested food. Okay, so in this third step, we can say the digested food, okay, the digested food is being absorbed. Okay, the digested food is being absorbed by the body cells. Okay, by body cells. Okay, in absorption, The digested food is being absorbed by the body cells. Okay. Now let us come to the next one, that is called what? Assimilation. Now, what is this assimilation? Now, the absorbed food, okay? Now here what happens is that the food is being absorbed, okay? So those absorbed food, okay, when our body utilize those nutrients, okay, from the absorbed food, okay, utilize them in the form of what? Energy, okay? And that is called what? Assimilation, right? Is it clear what is assimilation? Okay. Using the absorbed food. Okay, using the absorbed food to utilize energy. For growing, okay. Okay, what happens in the assimilation is that they are using the absorbed food to utilize energy and for growing. Okay, those absorbed food, they are being used, okay, they are being utilized, okay, to produce energy and also for growing, because we need to grow. Okay, so where it happens, in which step? It is in the step of assimilation. This process happens here. Okay, now let us come to the last one, which is called ejection. Now what is ejection? Okay, we have done from the breaking down to the absorb to the utilization of food. Now we'll come to the ejection. Means here that there are some food, okay, which is not fit for absorption, okay, which is no more useful for our body, which is which there is no more nutrients present in it. Okay, so what we have to do is that it has to be thrown out from our body. Okay, and that process, okay, it is called what? Ejection. Okay, it happens where? In the fifth step. Okay, in the last stage, in the last step of the process of nutrition. This is what? This is the process of nutrition. Okay, process of nutrition. Remember, ejection happens in the very last stage. Okay, now ejection, it is the process of, what is it? Where the undigested food is removed, okay, from the body, Okay, what is ejection? It is the process by where the undigested food is removed from the body. Okay, this undigested food can be undigested, unabsorbed, okay, unassimilated. It cannot assimilate anything from it. Okay, it can be in the form of a liquid, okay, in the form of a urine, as you all know, and then in the form of a semi-solid, we can say, okay, semi-solid, like in the form of a feces, no, where we throw out from our body. So those, okay, two substances are being thrown out from the body by the process of ejection. Okay, let us revise again what we have learned. Okay, so for the process of nutrition in animals, okay, for the process of nutrition in animals, we have a series of steps, which is of 5 steps, okay, to complete the process of nutrition. Now the first one, it is called what? Ingestion. It is the process of by which the food is being taken into our body, okay, through where? Through the mouth, okay, and where the process of grinding of food happens. Okay, that is, grinding of food happens by the teeth. Okay, we grind the food in our mouth with the help of the teeth. Now come to the second one. The second one is called what? Digestion. It is the process by where we break down the food, okay, into simple substances with the help of the digestive juices. Now come to the third one, which is called absorption. Now in this third step, the digested food, okay, is being absorbed, okay, through our body cells for the utilization of, okay, which happens in the next step, which is called the assimilation. And here the absorbed food is being utilized for producing energy and also for growing. Now the last step it is called ejection. It is the process by where the undigested food is being removed away from our body, okay, because they are of no use. They are, you know, in here many harmful bacteria is also there, okay. That's why it has to be thrown out from our body. So I hope it is clear regarding the process of nutrition in animals. We will come to a topic, and that is called what? Ways of taking of food. So as you all know, we humans, okay, we have a particular system of digestion, okay, in our body. But if we take generally, okay, all animals, for example, like mammals, okay, so mammals, they feed their young ones, okay, they feed their young ones. Even we also, we are mammals, right? Especially women, we have what? Mammary gland, okay. So for example, if we take mammals, okay, so mammals, because we are all mammals, okay, once in our lifetime we were what? Young ones, okay. So can we eat our food during the first 6 months, first 7 months of our life? No, we cannot eat our food directly from those complex substances of food, okay. We need what? Mother's milk, okay. So mammals feed on the mammary glands, from the mammary gland, that is the milk from the mother, okay. And if we take some animals like snakes, how do snakes take their food? Through swallowing their prey, right? So then if we take amoeba, it is what? Unicellular. How it obtains its food is different. Then if we take multicellular, because we are all multicellular, okay. If we talk about mammals, okay, mammals feed their young one through the mammary glands, okay. They cannot eat their food, no. Every mammals, young ones, okay, even we also humans, we are mammals, right? So once in our life, back, okay, we were once young ones, okay, so we feed from the mother's milk. Then if we take snakes swallow its food, right? Then if we take a lion, then if we take a bear, if we take humans, if we take whales, if we take aquatic animals like what? Fish, like sharks, like what? Many things, many other animals, okay. They have different ways of obtaining their food, okay. Why? Because they have different organs. What is their organs, okay? If we take the first one, okay, the first one as the unicellular organism. If you have not seen its figure, something, it has no fixed figure, okay. It has no fixed shape of its body. So this is a nucleus, okay. So what happened here? This amoeba, how does it takes its food, okay. Now if you see this diagram here, this amoeba, it has what they call pseudopodia. Okay. What is this pseudopodia? This pseudopodia, it is called as a false feet also, okay. Why we say false feet? Because it doesn't have, okay, does it have head? Does it have hand? Does it have eyes? Does it have limbs? Does it have anything? No, nothing, no. So we give it a name as pseudopodia as its false feet, because when it tries to tries to obtain its food, what does it do? This pseudopodia, okay, this pseudopodia, suppose here is its prey, okay. What is this? Prey, like its source of food, okay. What will happen to the pseudopodia? It will try to engulf, okay, we will say its prey, okay. After it tries to engulf its prey, what will happen is that here, this is prey, okay, it will get inside, no, okay. Now they can inside, okay, it will form like a type of cavity, okay. It is a type of a cavity inside, like a special room inside, okay, what we say, a cavity inside, which is called now a food vacuum, okay, food vacuum. Now what happens here? After its prey is being entered into its body, it will secrete what? Digestive juices. it will try to secrete digestive juices, okay, for digestion of its prey. Okay, so this happens in case of unicellular animals like amoeba. Now let us talk. Now next let us talk about the multicellular animals. Okay, number 2, multicellular. Okay, multicellular animals. Okay, multicellular animals, we can take example like what, let's take simple form, hydra. Okay, for humans we will do later, but now let us do first hydra. Now for this hydra, okay, it is a multicellular animal. So what happened here, this hydra, it is a type, where does it live? Inside aquatic, okay, aquatic bodies, in the seas, in the ocean, okay, ocean. So now this it is an aquatic type of animals. Okay, this hydra. Okay students, so this is the figure of a hydra. Okay, I'm not very good in drawing, okay, so sorry for that. Okay, so now this multicellular organism, which we take it as a hydra. Okay, now this hydra, what does it has here? Okay, my drawing is not good. Okay, this is actually tentacles. Okay, what we say, tentacles. Now these tentacles, it is like, it does the function of like the hands. Okay, like the hands of a, okay, now this hydra, it eats small aquatic animals, okay, and tries to kill it. But how does it catch its prey? Okay, through the tentacles. Now these tentacles, we will not use the word here engulf, we will say the word here, engulf, we will say the word entangle. Okay, we'll say entangle, means these tentacles will try to entangle its prey. It tries to catch its prey. Okay, now these 3 or this 4, it might use 4, it might use all, okay, to catch its prey. So what does it do? It entangle its tentacles. When it entangles its tentacles, so that prey, okay, poor a small fish, can it escape? No, it cannot escape anymore. So when it cannot escape, what will happen is that, okay, it is left what? No movement at all, no, with no movement at all. Then only this hydra will try to enter that prey through the mouth. Okay, when it enters the mouth, it will reach what they call here the body cavity. Okay, this is called what? The body cavity. When the food reaches inside the body cavity here, okay, it will try now to digest its food, okay, with the help of the digestive juices. So here also we need what? Juices. Okay, digestive juices. So I hope it's clear. We have talked about ways of nutrition, of ways of taking of food, okay, in unicellular animals like amoeba, and in case of multicellular animals like simple multicellular animals like hydra. Okay, so for this we'll end it till here. We will continue in the next video, okay, where we will do about the ways of obtaining of food in multicellular animals like human beings. Okay, complicated system, because here in hydra is just a simple system, okay, where the food just enters with the help of the tentacles, enters the mouth, and then enters the body cavity, and then the digestive juices does its work there, and then the process of digestion happens. So we'll do next, we'll see next in the next part of the, we'll do the next part of the nutrition in animals in the next video, next part. With this, thank you.